even if you're someone who always thought there is no other meaning to Python except for a snake, this is for you. I wasted about 6 months thinking that AI coding tools are not for marketers. That was a big mistake. Now, here are 5 tools that you as marketers should be using, because they let you build cool stuff which you have not even imagined. Now, with the requirement that you may have, you can customize it to whatever you need. You can just use ChatGPT and Perplexity to debug all the errors along the way. So here are 5 tools. The first tool that I want to talk to you about today is called as Warp. And Warp is a tool which lets you download it onto your system, and then once you download it, you should see an app or a native app like this. And what this does is this lets you build cool stuff in terms of it lets you go ahead and analyze trends using platforms like Reddit. You can set up automations where these tools. You can set up automations where Warp can go ahead and let you analyze the trending topics in a particular subreddit on Reddit, and it can fetch you the output. You can set up your own social listening tools. You can set up workflows. You can also set up your competitive intelligence workflows. You can also go ahead and you can set up a workflow where you can consolidate all the data from all the live ad platforms like Google Ads or Meta Ads, and then you can get them sent to you at the beginning of every day as a summary of what happened with your ads. Now, this is incredibly cool. The second tool that I wanted to talk to you about, in fact, what I wanted to show you, I wanted to show you how it works, was Replit. Now, Replit, right from the day I saw the first ad for Replit, I always thought this was something which is not related to marketers, but it was a big mistake. Now, this is a dashboard that I was able to create with just a line of code, not even code, with just prompts that let me go ahead and analyze what this was all about. And you can also have drop downs where you can select data, and then it automatically changes according to this, right? So this can fetch data from your Facebook ads, email marketing, and other platforms. You can customize it, and you can share this with your clients so that they can also interact with dashboards. This is cool. Now, apart from that, another requirement, you can literally build anything with this. Now, the third thing that I wanted to talk to you about was, I saved the best for the last, so stay tuned and don't run away. What I have now is v0.dev, and what you see is just a prompt that I used with platforms like Claude, where I wanted to lay out a complete end-to-end landing page. All I had to do was just copy the prompt, and then this gave me the landing page, which is readily functional. Now, you can go ahead and set up all the steps using platforms like ChatGPT. It will give you step by step what to debug, how to do that. You just have to simply copy paste. Now, the next tool is Lovable, where it is a coding tool which can go ahead and build a lot of stuff. But what I use this to actually build a live website that I'm currently running on. Let me actually show you the website. So this is my website that I built end to end, including all the buttons. It'll take you to a survey. So this is an end-to-end automation, end-to-end landing page that I built using Lovable with just a prompt and nothing more than that. Now, I've agreed there is a learning curve, which is not steep, thankfully. And last but not the least, you have the legendary Manus.AI, right, which will go ahead and let you do cool things like consolidate. Like it can help you track your live campaigns on, let's say, ad platforms, and then mid-campaign you can go ahead and make some changes, reallocate budgets. You can do a lot of interesting, cool stuff with that. You can just go to Manus.AI and say, can you brainstorm and give me 50 tech company CEOs email IDs that I would want to outreach. If they do this, if they do that, if they run Google ads, it'll go ahead and filter out everything that you ask that to do. Now, that is an incredible agent. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you as marketers should not shy away from using AI coding tools.